it's Jenny from Wales Library. I'm just going to show you how to make the easiest mug cake ever. So for this you're going to need 1 egg yolk, a tablespoon of melted butter, vanilla essence, brown sugar, a pinch of salt, some flour, pinch of baking powder, and most importantly my favourite, chocolate chips. Okay, so this is really quick and easy. So to start off with, we just pop our egg yolk into our cup along with the melted butter, and then we need half a tablespoon of vanilla essence, your brown sugar. Okay, so once you've got all of that in there, I just give it a good mix. So it should look something like that. Next, we just add on just a pinch of salt. Then 3 tablespoons of flour and chocolate chips. And a pinch, just a pinch of baking powder. Okay, so you give this all a really good mix. Okay, so after a minute in the microwave, I can't resist a bit of ice cream, but this should be your finished product. It is absolutely delicious. I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. Look for Somerset Libraries UK, and also check out RB Digital for some brilliant cooking magazines. Hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to keep an eye out because I'm gonna do another mug cake recipe.